Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Tallinn, Estonia, and I just wanted to show you some of the sidewalk. It's pretty amazing, and I'll film more of it when I get a chance. I got to go find a SIM card if I possibly can, if they're cheap. If they're not cheap, I'm not buying one, but if it's cheap, then I'm gonna buy one. So so if it's under $4, yes. If it's more than $4, no. And when you're on a budget, you gotta be tight. So this is Old Town Tallinn, Estonia, and it's absolutely gorgeous and absolutely cute. And it used to be a walled city, and so some of the wall is still here and some of the towers are still here, and it certainly is cute as hell. And so look at all these little old buildings, and then I'll turn this corner and I'll show you the old stuff. And this is right on the sea, right below Helsinki. So if you know where Helsinki is, this is right below it. So let me show you this real quick, and then I'll go the other way. Wow. Wow, wow. Is that amazing? Wow. Let's go into this square here, if I can, but let me show you this little area here. Wow. How cute is this? And so if I remember right, I was here about 7 years ago, and this is like the main square right here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Is that amazing? Yeah, beautiful. He's filming me and I'm filming him. Look at these buildings over here. Wow. Wow.
Einmal im Kreis.
Wow, okay. Well, let me walk through the towers, and then I'll go get the SIM card, and then we'll see about getting a SIM card, and then I have to go to a grocery store and get some food. So the place wants like $25 for breakfast. That's crazy. What a beautiful place, huh? Wow. Wow. And the guy gives us samples of something. No, I'm not interested. Huh. And little cute outfits are cute. And I think there's a McDonald's down here, so I'll be able to test the 2 pickle roll. There's lots of different languages here. Oh, and who's the guy in the hooded mask? He's a killer? Interesting. Wow. Oh, and you can see the towers down there. And the guy wrote on the map, the kiosk place sells SIM cards, and it's right past these things. And then there's a grocery store too, so I can go and get a beer or two and stick them in the refrigerator, because there's a refrigerator in the room and it has a kettle, so I can do tea. I was thinking about maybe buying some eggs and boiling eggs in the kettle. Is that possible? I guess you could boil top ramen too, huh? And then I guess you could, I wonder if you could fry an egg in a kettle. You put some oil in there. I guess nobody would ever be able to use it again for for boiling water, but my eggs would be pretty yummy. Is this cute? I was just kidding about that, everybody, so don't get all excited. I'm not gonna boil or fry eggs in the kettle. I was gonna get a steak now. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. Maybe ham, hot ham and cheese sandwich in a kettle. Can you get really creative? All right, everybody. Well, I'm gonna stop here. You can. Well, I'll get up here and show you the walls because they're pretty spectacular. So look at this wall right here. That gives you an idea of the walled city. Is that like stupendous? Amazing. And this is part of the old walls. Wow, wow, wow. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to leave you with that image right there. And then that mall, I think straight ahead of me is where I'm going for the SIM card, and the grocery store is down, I think, that way. And he said it was a Remy. Anyway, we're gonna skip that word. Okay. Very, very, very cool. All right, everybody, thanks for coming along. I'll do more videos for you soon. Bye.